Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we continue exploring how to enhance your cocoa or cacao drink with better techniques, flavors and toppings. Let's dive right in and take your hot chocolate to the next level. Choosing between these two depends on what you want out of your afternoon break. If you want a functional drink that acts like a superfood, cacao is your best bet. If you want that deep, dark, and smooth taste that reminds you of a high-end bakery, cocoa is the winner. Why raw cacao is the healthier choice for your mug? Raw cacao is a literal powerhouse for your body. It contains a high concentration of magnesium, which helps your muscles relax after a long day. Most importantly, it is packed with flavonoids that support heart health and keep your brain sharp. Because it is a raw product, it tastes much more bitter than standard chocolate. This complexity means you do not need a mountain of sugar to make it interesting. When you use cacao, you are getting a more honest version of the plant. It pairs beautifully with natural sweeteners like maple syrup or honey because they complement its earthy undertones. Instead of a sugar crash, you get a gentle lift from the natural compounds found in the bean. It is the perfect choice for someone who wants to feel good about their daily indulgence. The familiar comfort of traditional Dutch processed cocoa. There is something undeniably soothing about the taste of traditional cocoa. Because it is alkalized, it loses the sharp bite that raw cacao often has. This process creates a very dark, mahogany color and a flavor that is incredibly round and soft. It dissolves more easily in liquid, which is why it is the standard for most instant mixes. For many, this is the flavor of childhood. It brings back memories of snow days and warm kitchens. While it may have fewer antioxidants than its raw cousin, it provides an unmatched level of creamy satisfaction. It is less picky about what you mix it with, making it a reliable choice for a quick, no-fuss treat. How to create the perfect creamy blend at home. Making a great cup of chocolate is not just about dumping powder into water. The method you use to combine the ingredients determines whether your drink is lumpy or silk smooth. Start by heating your liquid in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. You want it hot enough to melt everything together, but not so hot that it boils over. A hand pours a stream of creamy white milk into a dark saucepan over gentle heat, where a metal whisk mixes a deep brown chocolate mixture. Steam rises gently, emphasizing the smooth swirling consistency in a softly lit kitchen setting. The secret to a clump-free drink is creating a paste first. Put your powder and sweetener in the bottom of your mug or pan with just a tablespoon of hot liquid. Stir them together until they form a thick, glossy sludge. Once that is smooth, slowly pour in the rest of your milk while whisking constantly. This technique ensures every tiny particle of chocolate is perfectly hydrated and incorporated. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.